this country. Well, gentlemen, nice to see you again. But for this song, it's going to be the colors of virtue. Children, we have variety of birds that continue with the great species. Birds of different species, different colors, and they're also from different parts of the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, please welcome our performer for the Mr. Rocky with a bird named Steven to raise up our national flag to mark the beginning of our colors of virtue. Right. Okay, use your picture from the office last time. Okay. Alright, okay. One more. Your mix of orange and very bold. Okay, we gonna go right. Easy. Yeah, right, okay. Yes. Slowly. Slowly. I know you got a very strong big wing. Yes, that's right. One more, people go. One more round. Yes, yeah, one more. Little bit. Yes, excellent, wonderful. Keep on. Enough. And it's not good. Give another warm welcome by unfolding those letters. WELCOMNE. Welcome to the colors of virtue. Well, gentlemen, I'm sure you all like to see our free flying macaws. Everybody look over there to welcome the free flying macaws. Yeah. The wonderful free flying macaws. Yeah, right. Safe landing. Well, gentlemen, this species is known as the green macaw. For your information, there are about 17 species of macaws around the world. Macaws are originated from the Amazonian tropical rainforest. They are known as the largest species of parrots. You know why Mickey clearing the stage? Because Mickey's best friend is going to play a mini basketball game in a short while. Thank you, Mickey. Mickey, going to call your friend to play the mini basketball game. And Mickey's best friend is coming to play a mini basketball game. So Mickey took the trouble to clear the stage. This species is known as the blue and gold macaw. Your name is Roller? Yeah. My name is Roller. Roller got a very special way of playing the mini basketball. Walk, go! Goes for the second one, but it's going to be very special. Very. Take the ball, roll! Rolling! It is very special, huh? Oh, my boy Johnny put on a special. Alright, one more. That's so great. Rolling. So we bring, yes, right, rolling, jangan jatuh, okay, slow, rolling out, alright, side to the net, that's our great roller, the blue and gold macaw. Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we have a very special artist. This is our great artist named John. A greater self-portrait comedy is going to do some abstract painting. Bird paintings are very limited and has become a collector's items. Hold the brush with its leg and it's going to be beautiful monstrous strokes. Yeah, that's the abstract painting. Yes. And this is, excuse me, your name is Yai? You are going to promote those paintings to the audience? How much you want to sell the painting? 3 ringgit? No. 3 ringgit? 5 ringgit? No. You want to sell the painting 10 ringgit? Alright. 3, will show you how this bird flies and picks up the money. Anyone donates 10 ringgit for a bird conservation program, we will give you beautiful bird painting drawn by our resident artist, the British South of Crocodile named John. Right. So anybody, all you got to do is take out your 10 ringgit, stand up, hold the 10 ringgit like this. The bird will fly and picks up the 10 ringgit. With a token of appreciation, we'll give you a beautiful bird painting. Lukisan Guru Asli, original bird painting. Any volunteers? All you got to do is take out your 10 ringgit and stand up. The bird will fly and you take photos. Alright. Right. Okay. Alright, take photos, sir. Alright. Okay, take photo. Alright, easy. Slowly. Okay, wait first. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, shukran. That's the beautiful bird paintings. Any more volunteers? Please stand up. Baru kurang boleh nampak. Okay. Oh, American, over there. All right, at the back. Yeah, right. Okay. All right. Okay, American. Otherwise, you can. All right. Okay. Yeah, the bird baru boleh nampak, bang. Right. American. Oh yes. Right. Okay. American. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. There goes our beautiful bird. Oh, come down. Okay. Right. Easy, relax. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, take photos. Yeah, right, yes. Oh, that's so gentlemen. All right. Okay, the bird. Amir, thank you very much, Sisi. Okay, right. Oh, we have children that admirers of the birds. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, very nice. Okay, nanti ada burung datang lagi. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you a beautiful bird painting as a token of appreciation. These bird paintings are very genuine, original. Okay, we have the young man over there. Right, okay. Yeah, that's wonderful. Sisi, thank you very much for your contribution. This contribution goes to our bird conservation program and also utilizes. Okay, thank you, Sisi. Is there any other volunteers? All right, yes. Okay, here over there, right. Don't worry, we will have this program probably after the bird show. All right, relax. Okay, thank you, Ade. Terima kasih. Right, is there any others? All right, okay, I'm here right over there. Yes. All right, thanks for the fly again. Right. Okay. Ambil gambar bang. All right. Yes. Take photo. Right. All right. And thank you. Terima kasih. All right. Okay. Yeah. We have one more right over here. Okay. Right.
Banyaknya.
One leg down. Okay, right once again. Yes, right. Okay. Don't touch the bird. Please don't touch the bird. Okay, right. Slowly. Okay, the bird will fly. Right. Thank you. Yes, here. Right. Okay. All right. And home. Okay, right. Okay, then gentlemen, let's have the last three for the day. Don't worry, we will have this program probably after the bird show. All right, yes, okay. Oh, Nikki, that's the last one for the day. Okay, come over here. Okay, wait. Huh? All right. Okay, baby. 1, 2, last one, huh? Okay, right. Alright. Okay, one more. Yagi, let's have the last 2 or 3 for the day. Right, okay. Don't worry, we will have this program after the bird show. When the bird is flying, please do not disturb. Right, okay. Alright, please do not disturb the bird. So the bird will fly and picks up the money. Well, in general, this donation goes to a bird conservation program. Right. Okay, thank you. And then let's have the last 2. We will be having this program after the bird show because there are many more acts. Yeah, right. Okay. Alright, yes. Okay, thank you very much, see. I mean, that's the last one for the day. Right, okay. Alright, there goes. Okay, the photos. Yes, right, yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your kind donation. This donation goes to our bird conservation program. Well, ladies and gentlemen, coming up next, today we have 2 different species of bird. We are going to fly into the ulau rings. Alright. Well, on my right is the blue and gold macaw. On my left is the girls of a crystal cockatoo lion. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, the ghost flies again. Yeah, right. Whoa! Comes again, that's ready. There it goes. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's wonderful flight. Now we are going to have the flying competition between these 2 different species. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Fly away now, right. Fly, yeah, right. Some of you are cheating, huh? No winner, no loser, because both of you skip, I saw back. Well, Greater Ryan is going to be another great gymnast bird. He's going to swing over those 5 silver rings. Down and up and the 30 goes. Down and up and the 4th one goes. Down and up and the last one goes. Down and up and the... That's our greatest self-requested cockatoo, Ryan. The gymnast bird. Thank you for posting. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen birds flying into the hula hoop. You have seen birds picking up money. Today we have 2 talking birds. Right. Let me introduce. This is a yellow-necked Amazon parrot from Mexico. Now, my dear doctor. This is yellow-headed Amazon parrot, also from Mexico. Now, my dear Gasper. Good morning, doctor. Can you say some words to the audience?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
The boy is saying hello to every one of you. Can you say hello? Thank you. Can you say hello? Halo suara tak kuat lah. Semalam sudah kena air hujan. Sakit sini. Never mind. Okay. Can you say something else?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
How are you? I'm sure you all very fine. Can you say how are you? Saya pun tak tahu apa itu. Talking in Mexican language. I don't understand Mexican language. I don't speak Mexican language. Doctor, you datang dari Mexico kan? Can you translate apa dia tadi cakap?
Apa khabar?
in Mexican language means apa kabar. Thank you. Okay, right. Can you talk in Mandarin? Ni hao ma, hao hao. Okay, very good. Ni hao ma means in Mandarin language, how are you? Okay, very good. I see a lot of pretty ladies. I see some ladies there. They're very smiling at you. Saya tak ketawa, belum ketawa, jangan marah saya. Okay, what about you? Thumbs up. Alright. One more time. I need a whistle. Sekarang dia ketawa. Careful lah. The husband, the boyfriends are there. If they come down, you are in a serious trouble. Sudah takut. Don't worry. They are very nice people. They are semua orang baik. Okay? Okay. Alright. Can you do some mimicking song? Alright. Let's do some mimicking song. Okay. Now the young rooster. Okay, one more time. Okay, now give a chorus. Try to guess what sound is this. What sound is that? Cat. Okay, listen to this sound, huh? What sound is that? Boy cat or girl cat? Cheeky naughty cat. This is a puppy dog sound. Okay. Today these birds are going to give you a beautiful birthday song. Anybody's birthday falls today? Please stand up. Anyone's birthday today? Hari jadi siapa-siapa hari ini? Anybody's birthday? Okay, never mind. Today is everybody's birthday. Is it okay with you? Ini birthday so like a broken CD lah. Don't worry, professional singer. Okay, the bird sing bye-bye to everybody. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to introduce birds from Malaysia. There are about 62 species around the world. In Asia, we have 32 species. In Malaysia, we have 11 species. Among the 11 species, today we are going to introduce one of the largest species among the 11 species. Well, ladies and gentlemen, everybody give a round of applause to welcome the great horned gecko from the tropical rainforest of Malaysia. Right, yes. In the natural habitat, they are fruit eaters and insect catchers. into the mid-air, and our great jackal is going to fly and snap with its sharp beak. Jackal, ready? Ready? Catch it! Excellent. Sometimes this is how they fly the insects. They catch the flying insects. Well, let's do it one more time. Well, let's do one more time. Yeah. Well, the one you see in Sabah and Sarawak is known as the rhinoceros hornbill. In Peninsular Malaysia, this is the largest species among the 11 species. Hornbills are fruit eaters and insect catchers. Well, today, once again, ready, Jackal, and you fly and you catch! Now we are going to call upon our Jackal's personal trainer to take our Jackal back home. Okay, give a round of applause to our Malaysian species, Jackal. Well, gentlemen, now we move on to BOP, birds of prey. Birds of prey are made up of eagles, hawks, vultures, and many species. Sejenis burung elang yang sangat-sangat ganas. Parents, teachers, make sure your children, students remain seated. It is TikTok, right? Because the bird is going to fly across the stage in a couple of minutes. Kukunya sangat-sangat tajam. My performer using a leather gloves to handle the species. Everyone please remain seated. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our great white-powered swinging Stella. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, boy. It's a very majestic bird. Right, boys? Yes. Now it's going to fly towards on the right hand side. Right. Okay. Well, it's going to fly across the stage. Don't stand up, try to touch or disturb the bird. It's quite dangerous. Just remain seated. Right device very low. Yeah, right. And now it's going to be the last and the final flight. The star of the show in our Colors of World show, the white bowling singing Stella. Eagles are very majestic birds. Well, gentlemen, for your information, it's still a very young bird. It's only about 15 years old. They can grow up to 40 to 45 in the natural habitat. These species, especially for all the eagles, their eyesights are much more sharper than human beings, 8 to 10 times. They can detect the moving fish from the height of 10 meters. Then they fly and scoop with a sharp talon with a tear of their flesh and eat. What's your name? Ha ha! Today in our we have some charming, pretty, super models. Please welcome the charming supermodel. Sorry, wrong number. No. This is different. The charming, pretty, supermodel of Flamingo. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the grand finale of our Colors of Bird show. Once again, together with the performers, the keepers, and the trainers, we would like to say everything.